Hello guys, it's your girl Carlette. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, stay tuned and watch the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not going to show my face, but in this video, I have my Gatorade and it is frozen. So what I'm going to do, open my microwave. I'm going to put my Gatorade in on 325. And it's gonna defrost. Press time cook. 320. And hit start. Watch. When I take it out, it's gonna be like I just bought it from the store. So if y'all wanna know how to frost your Gatorade in the microwave, look at this video. Easy. Take it out your freezer or your deep freezer, put it in your microwave on 320. Watch what's gonna happen. We almost down to time to take it out, so it's counting down. The time is 12:11. And this is pretty cool. I like doing this. I do this all the time with my Gatorade. $158. $150. $145. Y'all see the Gatorade turning? And this is the time. And I just got this microwave. My daddy got me this, and I got it from Walmart. And it was $55. It's almost time to take out the Gatorade.
How do you see my glass?
No. That was Terrence talking. He in the room watching a movie. No. We almost. Look up here on this bin. We almost done. Take out the Gatorade. Look up here in the thing on the table. Or look in your drawer. $19 minutes, 18 minutes, 17 minutes, 15 minutes. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Open up your microwave. Look, you can shake it. And then we're gonna open it like so. Okay, watch. See, I took the top off. Look what you got. Gatorade. As an example, I'm gonna pour a little bit in the sink so y'all can see. See? You have your Gatorade. And your microwave does not blow up, which is a blessing. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell everybody to watch Carlette YouTube channel, because you never know what I'm popping out with. Alright. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will see y'all later. Bye. Don't forget your Gatorade.